Okay, today we're going to do another dictation, working on magic E words. Follow along as I sound out and say the words, and then you can write them with me too. The first word we're going to do today is chime. Chime. Ch-I-M. Chime. Ch-I-M. Chime. This is the word chime. The next word is kite. Kite. K-I-T. Kite. K-I-T. Kite. We put a K at the beginning of this word because the vowel is an I. K goes with I. This is the word kite. Number 3 is the word joke. Joke. J-O-K. Joke. J-O-K. Joke. Joke. Number 4 is the word tone. Tone. T-O-N. Tone. T-O-N. Tone. Tone. Number 5 is the word line. Line. L-I-N. Line. L-I-N. Line. Number 6 is a 2-syllable word. The word is invite. Invite. The first syllable is in. In. I-N. I-N. In. The I says I here, so it's short. The second syllable is vite. Vite. V-I-T. Vite. V-I-T. Vite. The I here is long, so we're going to put a line over it. Invite. Now I'm going to rewrite the word invite. Let's read through the words we wrote today. Chime, kite, joke, tone, line, invite.